Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to change the case in Excel. Suppose you have text and you want to change into lowercase, uppercase or capitalize each word. So first of all, we will change the text into lowercase. For this, the function is equal and then write lower, press tab and select the text cell and enter. You can see it has changed to lowercase. And for uppercase, the function is equal and upper. Press tab and select the text cell and enter. And you can see it has changed to uppercase. And to capitalize each word, the function is equal and proper. Press tab, select the text and enter. Here you can see it has changed to each word has been capitalized. So this is how you can change case in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.